Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working in your Windows. You can simply do these methods to your Windows 10 also, the same functionality. So first we have to come over into the start icon, click on the right mouse button, then go for the settings. After that, you just need to come over into the system settings and then you need to come over into the sound settings. After here, you can simply select which one you are now using. I'm using the headphones, that's why I'm selecting the headphones. So now if I come over into the input section called microphone, as you can see, I selected the microphone over here. If you just click on the microphone over here, you can simply select the audio quality. Also, we can test your microphone, and as you can see, the input volume is influencing because I'm using the microphone right now. Also, you can change the format to the studio quality or DVD quality, whatever you want. So after going to the back, if your problem is solved with the simple method, then it's okay. After, if you're not getting sounds from a specific apps, then you just need to come over into the volume mixer. So here you can see I opened OBS Studio. That's why it's showing these apps that are coming the sound from. In your computer, if you using any specific app that is not sounding, then you just need to be selected that the app is selected with the increased power sound. And if you come over the input device, as you can see, I have only connected with one microphone, that's why it's showing it. If you have different microphone, you can simply select them as well. Now if you come over into the privacy and security, and if you come over into the app permission section to the microphone, and from here you just need to check that you're currently using app is selected, that you want to get the microphone access, or if the microphone access is turned off, then you can simply turn it on. So we will go for the system another time and then go for the sound system and scroll down a little bit. If we click on the more sound setting, and here you can see the sound setting will be pops up over here. And from here, you just need to click on the recording section. And as you can see, the microphone is now selected over here, that this microphone is now coming the voice, because you can see the fluctuation is showing over here. So what you can do, if your computer is not showing, then you can simply click on the right mouse button, or like I'm going to select this, I'm going to click on the right mouse button. And then here you can see, you just need to select as default device over here. And that's it, your problem will be solved. And yeah, this is how we can simply fix your microphone not working in your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.